In 1909, Titanic rose from Belfast's docks, built as the grandest ship mankind had ever dreamed.
The unsinkable ship, a floating palace of luxury, stood as a symbol of hope and pride.
From the richest elite to hopeful immigrants, Titanic carried dreams across every class.
On April 10, 1912, Titanic set sail on her maiden voyage with over 1,200 souls aboard.
Despite multiple iceberg warnings, danger waited in the dark waters of the North Atlantic. At 11:40 p.m., Titanic struck an iceberg, and her fate was sealed beneath the cold sea. With too few lifeboats for thousands, panic erupted as the ship began to sink rapidly.
At 2:20 a.m., the Titanic broke apart and vanished beneath the freezing ocean forever.
Barely 700 survived the icy night, saved by the ship Carpathia hours after the sinking.
12,500 feet below, Titanic still rests, a ghostly monument to human ambition and tragedy.